Hello everyone. We have a more informative video for you. So let's start. So basically today we will discuss about how to change your password of your SAP systems, any either ECC or S4 HANA or any other module. And second topic we'll discuss how to change your user profile, okay, either in your ECC, S4 HANA or any other module. So let's go ahead and we'll change the passwords in SAP systems. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is we have a systems, SAP systems. Okay, and now there is a one T code that is SU01. Okay, so this is SAP test one is a user ID. Okay, so here one icon is there, change password, and then right, left, I mean at the end of that right. Okay, that is change password. Click on this. Okay, it will ask you to change the password. Okay, let's see, you can put any password. Okay, and change. Yes, the password has change, you can see. So this is how we can change the new password, or you can reset your password. So this is here, once again, change the password is the options. Okay, so this is the first one. Now the next option is called how to change the user profile, right? So you can see, you can put your user ID here, and you can have an option here under system. And the system, there is a user profile. Okay, there is a user data. Click on this. So now you can see this is the complete user profile over here. Okay, so by default it is, while creating the user, okay, the basis people is going to enter the detail about the user like title, first name, last name, okay, and language, functional department, telephone number, and each mail ID and method and all under address. Default, okay, what is default, like how the default language is English, decimal notation, date formats, time format, everything defined. If in case if you want to change anything, if you want default, you want to change anything, or let's see address, if you want to do some changes on that, so you can do it. Let's see function HR, okay, something like IT, like this, okay, telephone number, something like this. So if you want to do some changes on your profile, definitely you can do some mobile number if you want to change something. So you can email ID, you can do it. And the method also, how you can email, like by default that is email. Okay, and you click here, save. Whatever the do changes, you just have a save. So now it's save. Again, you have to go SC01. Okay, again you have to, here one button called display. Click on display. If you display here, you can see whatever you do changes, it reflected over here. So this is how basically you can change your user profile, and you can change your password, or you can reset your password. This is how you can work with this. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. If in case uh, any comment, please suggest any comment or ask questions, and definitely you should share with your friend. Thank you for watching this video.